Yo, yo, welcome back to Gary's Garage. And as you can see from the other day with the Lawnmaster 1961 4 horsepower snow thrower. Now, we still a few things I need to find out about this thing. But guess what? We put a spark plug in it. We adjusted the fuel mixture valve right here where my finger is. We adjusted that. I gotta find an air filter for it. The air filter housing belongs here. I gotta find that. And guess what, y'all? It's running. So what we gotta do is pull this up, open the choke. Listen, close the choke. Will it start? Oh man, now I don't want to start. There we go. So as you can see, we put a new plug in and she's running like a top, y'all. Well, listen, like and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. And this is Gary from Gary's Garage signing off.